beauties, it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on with some new e.l.f. makeup 2024. I have here the new e.l.f. bronzing drops. So I figured we could test them out together, see how they perform. And so without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right into this testing out new makeup finish. So I did get all three of the shades. I believe there's only three. So I got the rose gold, I got the pure gold, and then here I have the copper gold. Now I was thinking, you know, how can I do swatches for you? I want to put it on my face and show you. So I'm going to try my best, maybe do one line and another line and, you know, see how that works. So here we go. Let's go ahead and test it out as best we can. So the first one I'm going to try here is the Copper Glow. My skin is kind of peeling, so if you see flaking skin and things like that, that's what that is. Hopefully don't get grossed out. But let's go ahead and put a little bit of this on. Let's put it right here so we have plenty of room for the other shades. So wow, that looks very dark. I did not think it was going to be that dark. I figured it was going to be more of a gold tone, but right off the bat it does look very bronze. So I'm going to go ahead and take my BK Beauty brush. These brushes are on sale.
Don't miss the BK Beauty brush sale. It's a Mother's Day special event that they're having on their site. You can get 20% off for Mother's Day, but they're having sales also on their bundle. So all in all, you can save up to 35% off BK brushes starting May 2nd. So definitely head over to the BK Beauty site. You don't need any affiliate codes or any codes to take advantage of these sale prices. Just head on over. I'll also have them linked with the shop with YouTube feature down below, so you can shop the sale and get these brushes for an amazing price
off. So this one here is that viral brush that everybody just loves. It's the 109 brush. I'm just gonna go ahead and smooth this into my skin and see how it works. So yeah, once you blend it out, it's definitely more sheer. So this would actually look beautiful as a contour. So maybe I'll come back and do that in a moment. But for now, I just want to try to show you as many shades of these drops as I can. So wouldn't that look gorgeous though if I had taken it that way and did it like a contour? So I think that's what I'll use that for. And then here I have the rose gold drops. So let me go ahead and I'll just put that right next to the copper drops. Let's see if we can get a good idea about how this looks. Yes, right away this looks much lighter. If you have a complexion like mine, this might be the best color to wear all over, not just to contour with. That first color, the copper color, look kind of deep for someone like me. So let's go ahead. Now this does look lighter right away, so let's go ahead and put this one on. Yes, that's a perfect match. That's a beautiful sun-kissed glow right there, whereas this one is a little bit more deeper. So unless you want to look, you know, unless you want that look, like very tan, maybe if you do self-tanning and your body is deeper tanned, a deeper color. This is all if you have a complexion like mine. If you don't have a complexion like mine, this might be, you know, perfect for you. But for me right at this point in time, this rose gold one is beautiful. I cannot believe it. Look at the shimmer even that these products give. They do have vitamin E in them. They do have, I believe, sunflower oil and a lot of different antioxidants, so they're filled with good for your skin ingredients as well. Now I only have three here, so this side of the face is gonna get, it's just gonna be, we can go all out. We got the full canvas here. So let me go ahead now. This one is called Pure Gold. So let's put a little bit of this on and see. So this one does look deep. Let's go ahead and blend it in and see how it looks. Yes, is that the deepest of the three? What do you guys think? That looks very deep. Wow. Of course
there's one line after I swatch these, and yes, rose gold is best suited for fair to medium skin tones. Pure gold is best suited for light to tan skin tones, and copper gold is best suited for medium to rich skin tones. This is from the e.l.f. Cosmetics website.
Of course they blend out, and actually all of them could work beautifully for you, especially if you're going to wear this under your foundation. I mean, this would be perfect. But now this one looks more red toned. It seems to have a red undertone. It's warmer than the copper. It's deep like the copper on someone like me, so it would make a beautiful contour. I hope you guys can see this was the copper and this one is the pure gold. Those two shades though, the copper and the pure gold, are stunning if you just use it like kind of a bronzer and not an all over product. It's beautiful. Look, that is beautiful. Wow, I'm shocked. I shouldn't be shocked because e.l.f. always comes out with amazing products, but every time I try them, I'm shocked because I can't believe how affordable they are and then how amazing they are. They're so much better than high end. So on this side right here, I'm just going to smooth the copper color. I just want to put it all over and see how it looks. So this is how it would look if you just want a nice tan, a nice bronze to your skin. And then I just want to show you, a lot of people do take a lighter toned kind of shimmer product. So I'm going to take the rose gold, and here I'm just applying this as a highlighter because this color pretty much matches my complexion. So this was the rose gold. I just put it in the center portion, and they're all very comparable actually. They're very similar. Now this product you can also mix in with your foundation. You can mix in with a moisturizer and put it all over your body. So that's a great option. It's a beautiful natural tan look to your skin. This is a beautiful glow. My skin actually feels mattified right now. It doesn't feel oily or anything like that. So I think this would be a gorgeous look if you just put on a little bit of maybe concealer if you need to conceal your under eye circles, like I like to do that. And a little concealer, a little translucent setting powder, and this will be a gorgeous look, especially for summer makeup. But of course you can also wear this under your foundation. So you have a lot of options. You can mix it into your sunscreen, you can mix it into your body lotion and put it all over your body. So there's a lot that you can do with these products. I was intending to put my foundation on top, but now that I see how beautiful it looks, I don't even want to put my foundation on top. I just want to put concealer. What do you guys think? Do you want to see? But I don't know. Do you want to see how it looks under the foundation? Let's just put some concealer on. So I'm just going to take a brush and just press this concealer in. But again, my skin feels so good right now. It seems to have smoothed my complexion. I just feel like my skin looks so much smoother, and also reduce the pores, but I don't see how. But it does say it has skincare ingredients in it, but it didn't say anything about pore smoothing ingredients. But I just feel like my skin, it definitely did something to my skin that I feel like it looks very, just very effortless. It gave a beautiful glow. It feels almost mattified. It doesn't feel oily. It feels very good and comfy on the skin. So that's beautiful. And I was just thinking, I think what would be so beautiful with this is maybe a little bit of cream bronzer, a little bit of a liquid highlighter, and some translucent setting powder. So did I just add on a whole bunch of makeup for this? No, this is supposed to be like a minimal look, right? I can't help myself. I'm just gonna take a little bit of this Charlotte Tilbury cream bronzer. I just think a cream bronzer would look gorgeous with this. Actually, I wish I had my Catrice bronzer. I left it in the other room. The Catrice, I don't know the name of it exactly, but it's a sun kiss. It's something sun bronzer. That is beautiful. That would look beautiful with this. So actually, I just want to put on a little bit of this highlighter that I have here. These are beautiful drops, new drops from Colourpop. They're called Liquid Light Glow Drops. These are beautiful. I tested this the other day on my, my TikTok or whatnot, and on my Instagram. Or I didn't post it yet, but this is so beautiful. You're not going to believe your eyes. So I'm just going to put a little bit of that on and just use this Rare Beauty brush. Now some things are worth it, luxury makeup type things, and this is definitely worth every penny, because if you like to wear liquid blush, liquid highlighters, this brush makes it a dream. This brush is just everything. So I'm just going to set this now with a little bit of the Laura Mercier talc-free translucent setting powder. Of course, the e.l.f. translucent setting powder Halo Glow, amazing. And I left that in the other room as well, or I put that on right now, but that is also talc-free, amazing product. So this is pretty much the finished look. I'm literally in shock right now, because the more that I see the e.l.f. drops, the bronze drops, what are they exactly called? The bronzing drops from e.l.f. You'll see them poking through under the makeup, and it's the most gorgeous effect It's radiant, it's stunning, it gives your skin the most beautiful glow. So I'll have these e.l.f. products linked down below with the shop with YouTube feature. It's just right below. You just click on the screen and then you'll see it will say view products, and you can see these products and purchase them for yourself. So let me know if you do pick them up, or have you picked them up already. Let me know what you think of them down below. And that's pretty much it. I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.